Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to be reviewing white labeling. So you might be wondering, what is white labeling? Well, if you use a company Gmail, a company Zoom, or other kind of account that has another branding being used instead of the software's branding, that's what white labeling is. So essentially what you can do in the Adracare platform is replace the Adracare brand with your own brand icons and colors. For the sake of this video, we're going to be doing it with the Adracare icons, but you can pretty much use any branding that you'd like inside of the platform. So let's review that now. If I click in the sidebar and navigate to My Organization, Organization Settings. The focus of this tutorial is going to be on two different panels, Organization Logos and Interface. Now, we support up to 4 different types of logos for different parts in the platform. The organization logo, sidebar full logo, organization icon, and sidebar collapse icon, logo should all be transparent background images, such as a PNG. We highly recommend this because otherwise you may see a background on some of the different non-white panels, such as the sidebar. So the very first one is organization logo. So this logo appears on reports, documents, login, etc. So we recommend a color logo here. So I'm going to click on select image, and I'm going to go into my logos folder, and I'll click on the Adracare logo. So if it comes out outside of this container, you can scroll with your mouse wheel to fit it to the size of the image. And when you're ready, just leave it as it is. If you want to save for your progress, click on the Save button at the top. And you'll get a message at the top here, saved successfully. So we're going to go ahead and add the other icons. And then when we hit save and then refresh, you'll see the icons will pretty much be the same, but they may be in a different position. Sidebar full logo is essentially the logo that appears at the top here when the sidebar is expanded. It'll be organization-wide and all of your users will be able to see it. So the thing is before, organization icon, the location that appears in browser tabs. So it's a smaller icon. We recommend a color icon for this one. Typically one that's square works the best. And then lastly, sidebar collapsed logo. So when the sidebar is collapsed, it shows a small preview of your logo, like so. Now, if you don't have multiple versions of your logo like this, what you can do is you can select the same version of your logo in either white or color, and then crop to size using the preview right here. When you're finished, scroll back up to the top. If for some reason it starts scrolling in this window here, click on any of the white space outside of one of these containers and it will allow you to scroll. Interface deals with the colors of your organization. You can control 2 different colors, your branding primary or button color and sidebar. Branding primary is going to control buttons in a number of different places in the platform. And we recommend trying to pick a color that's going to be accessible and easy to read. You may need to experiment with this a few times. So once you click on this picker here, you're able to view a list of different colors. So you can click on RGB at the bottom here to change that to HSL, which is hue, saturation, lightness, or a hex code, in case you're looking for alternative options. If you don't know these and you're setting up your organization and experimenting, you can always drag the cursor around and a live preview will appear on the left here. So we're going to set it to a blue color. And then the sidebar. This configures the color on the right-hand side here. Same thing, we ideally want something that is accessible and easy to look at. So for the sake of this experiment, I'm going to be changing it to just a different shade of green. Okay, now that I'm done that, I'm going to click on Save. And you'll see that the buttons in a number of different places in the platform, as well as the sidebar, have all changed colors. You can also go to different parts of the platform and check that the icons and stuff are updated. If they haven't updated, you want to go Command or Control Shift R, which refreshes your page and clears your cache. And you'll see your icon at the top there has been updated. And in case the colors weren't updated as well, now they will be. If you ever want to change these settings again, go back to My Organization settings, and you'll be able to scroll and update these at will.